Hey son, welcome back to my Mozzarella YouTube channel. My name is Pernilla and today I want to make a cat bed for my cat. I have made cat beds several times before, but they do tend to get a bit dirty. This used to be white. And here's another one I made. I usually make a separate insert for these as well. Previously I've used IKEA fleeces. This one is the, let me check. This is the Vitmossa fleece and it's apparently £1.75 right now. And I've stuffed it with polyester filling from a pillow called Sköldblad. That is £2.25. So for this bed here, it would be about £4 to make. I think this one was, I used the Polarvide fleece, and that one is about £3.50. So this with the Sköldblad pillow filling, that will be the pillow is £2.25, so that will be £5.75 for this one. I checked Pets at Home, it would charge approximately £17 or something for a donut shaped cat bed. So today I want to make a new cat bed because the old ones are a little bit dirty, and also my poor kitty is in for surgery today and has to be on cage rest for the next at least 6 weeks. So I wanted to make him a new bed, a clean one, to limit infections and that sort of thing. And we're coming up to Christmas, so I wanted to make a Christmassy type a bed. And I have some old velour fabric, a white one here and a bit of this red one. So I'm going to attempt to make sort of an inverted Santa hat donut cat bed. So I used my template to make the shape and added seam allowance, and now I'll just stitch around the edge and leaving it a little gap so that I can stuff it with filling. Here is the bottom of the donut bed. I cut it with 2 centimeter seam allowance rather than 1 as for the cushion, just to give it a bit more room. And now I will just measure the circumference and make a tube for the edges. Okay, so now I have stuffed the cushion inserts and I close the gap with some hand stitching, and I've also made a tube for the ring. I've actually stitched it wrong sides together and left about 3 centimeters. I've left a gap obviously so that I can stuff it. Then afterwards I will just serge this edge and stitch that onto the bottom of the cat bed. As you can see here on the old one, the raw edges are pointing down, so you can make it bigger or smaller by rolling it in or out. Okay, so now I have stuffed it and closed up the opening. So now I will attach the bottom bit to this bit with my serger. Okay, so now I have serged the flap bit to the bottom of the bed. And to make it a bit to fit the bed, you can just roll it in a little bit like that. Yeah. That's it finished.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.